Hi, I'm Thomas Mancuso, Channel Development Manager at TigerConnect. Today, I'd like to show you the Photo Markup feature. The Photo Markup feature allows us to highlight a certain part of a picture. Let's start by choosing a conversation in our inbox. Tap on the camera icon in the attachments bar. Take a picture of what you want. Then tap Use Photo. Now, we can choose the pen icon in the lower left-hand corner of our attached photo. From here, we can choose a color and highlight an area using our finger. Then click Done. Now we can send that message. This is not the only way to mark up a photo. You can also mark up a photo that was sent to you. Tap on the photo that was sent to you in your conversation. Then tap the pen in the top right corner. Here, you'll have the markup menu. You can choose the color and highlight the area that you want to cover. Now, simply press Send. Photo markup is an easy way to call attention to a specific area in a picture. To learn more, visit TigerConnect.com. Thanks for tuning in.